Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel Ruchi Sharma Videos. I'm writing the term summer vacation. Yes, almost started, within 1 or 2 days. And for junior classes it is already started. So in summer vacation we all are planning several things, lots of activities and many other things. We'll be visiting to some new places. That is really good because we should explore new things. But here in this video you are going to check what is very important which should not be missed during this vacation. Number 1, any difficulty which your child is facing during the classes in the school. For example, if the writing pace is slow, writing is slow. If child needs to improve the handwriting, if child is unable to complete the homework, if child is unable to speak within, like during the class, if there's some sort of vocal activity, oral activity, so you have to prepare the child for orals. If your child is not able to conversate in English, and several other things must be there. So this is the only time when you can prepare your child for the whole session 2024-25, where you should guide your child for the writing pace. What you can do is you can give some time limitation, like within 10 minutes the child has to complete any particular question or some sort of writing, and this can be clubbed with the handwriting improvement. You can ask your child to write the page every day, one page or at least half of the page. Please give the time limit also, because in school when they are writing they have at least like only 40 minutes to complete. So accordingly you provide time so the child will learn how to complete the things on time. Now, about the homework and the classwork, this is the biggest challenge which most of the parents are facing. The child is not able to complete the classwork, they are not doing the homeworks. So you have to motivate the children by providing some sort of interesting questions, interesting worksheets, which is available on my channel. So if you are new to the channel, you can check that and you can get benefited. Now the orals. Help your child in conversating in English, in reciting the poems, in discussing different topics orally. The more you will speak with your child, the more confidence the child will gain. And you can start such activities where you can ask your child to speak certain, like on certain topics, at least for 1 minute, anything which the child can say about any particular topic. So that will give very good confidence to your child. It will also improve the vocabulary. The child would be able to conversate in English if you start speaking with your child in English. So give them short sentences, make them learn those sentences like they have already learned. If they have to go to the washroom, if they have to go, like they want to drink water, many things they already learned in the class. Now this is the time, within this month you can improve some more, like vocabulary, some more, you can add some more sentences for your child. And at the end of this you will realize that yes, in actual you have utilized the summer vacation where you are able to overcome all the hurdles of your children. So this is my suggestion: utilize the time properly, help your child, and enjoy the summer vacations. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share, and give a like if this video is helpful to you. Take care. Bye bye.